In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create 3D gold typography effect in Canva. By the end, you'll have rich, metallic lettering with a subtle 3D projection that looks polished and professional, perfect for thumbnails, posters, or social posts. Start by opening your design in Canva. With your canvas ready, head to the Elements tab and type gold or gold images into the search bar. Switch to the Photos tab to find high-quality textures. Look for a gold image with visible highlights and shadows. Those details help the final text feel more realistic. Click to add it to your canvas so it's available for the next step. Next, go to Apps in Canva and search for Font Studio. Open the app. Then select the template. Type the text you want to transform and choose a bold or decorative font. Heavier fonts tend to hold textures better and showcase more of the metallic detail. If your word looks too spread out, decrease the letter spacing to tighten it up so the gold looks continuous from letter to letter. Now apply the gold fill. In Font Studio, click Letter Fill. Choose Image Upload and select the same gold photo you added earlier. This maps the gold texture directly onto your text. If the app lets you adjust the image position within the letters, nudge it so bright highlights sit on the tops or fronts of strokes, which instantly makes the text read as metallic. Aim for a consistent texture across the word. Add the 3D effect by clicking Add Layer and selecting Projection. Choose a slightly darker gold or a warm shadow tone for the projection color. This contrast helps define edges and gives depth without overpowering the main gold surface. Fine, tune the projection using the adjustment icons. Decrease the projection length for a tighter, more realistic shadow and adjust the angle to match the direction of the highlights in your gold texture. Subtle changes go a long way. You are aiming for depth that looks integrated, not detached. When you are happy, click Add to Design. Back on your canvas, delete the original gold image you used as a texture source to keep things clean. Select your new 3D gold text and increase its size as needed, so it becomes the focal point. Keep an eye on edge clarity while scaling. And center it on your layout for balance. That's it. Thanks for watching.